What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you guys can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Everybody else, welcome back. I'm back, guys, with M.A.P. I want to talk about traffic real quick. This program right here spits out $247 commissions over and over and over and over, right? However, you must have traffic, okay? I know a lot of people just sign up for programs. They really don't understand. You have to have traffic. You can join as many programs as you want, but without people going to your website, taking a look at it consistently, okay? You have to generate leads through an automated system, which is included in this system, okay? And you need some type of drip advertising, which is email autoresponder that will follow up with your leads, okay, to remind them about the program. And then also, we have in this system, you can email those folks back too to follow up with them, okay? But today we want to talk about traffic, and I just want to show you a couple resources where you need to get traffic from, where you can get traffic. There's many places, but I wanted to show you a few of those. One is, the few is in your back office, okay? And then I'm going to show you another source. But let's take a look here, all right? The link is in the description. Go check this out, www.besteasyworkincome.com, if you're interested in making $247 commissions. You get with this. It's a design powerful program with no monthly charges, okay? One-time fee, $247 to your inviter, and then $33 goes to the company. So you're getting a free members area, you're getting free autoresponder, no monthly system charges, done for you traffic. Just give them your link and they'll send traffic over. You get an 800 number that's included. You are going to be a reseller. So you're allowed to earn as much as you want. Unlimited $247 payments directly to you. There's no middleman, paid any way you want. Okay? To your favorite account, whatever it is. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, whatever it is. Okay? Robust tracking interface to keep tabs on everything so you can see at all times what's going on as far as the analytics of your leads. In the back office of this system, you can see when you look at one of your leads, look at your leads in general, it will show you it's a point system. So the higher the points are for that lead, okay, the more interested that person is, which tells us that, hey, they didn't really look at the video, okay? If it's a low point, they really didn't look at it, okay? So that's what they mean when they say robust tracking. All that is included, and you need to know what's going on with your leads. All right, so let's look at a traffic source, okay? Let's check it out because folks also want to know, well, how much is it going to cost me to get traffic? So let's take a look at that. All right, in your M.A.P system, they have solo ads, okay? Solo advertisements is when you contact another email list owner who will send an email to his or her list, okay? They charge you a small fee and they'll send out the ad for you. You just give them your link. And then they also have what's called pay-per-click advertising, okay? You only pay when a visitor clicks on the ad, okay? So little Google AdWords, Facebook ads, etc. All right? So what's included here, let's look at the charges of that, what you'd be looking at, because I know you want to know. This is Tier 1 traffic, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada. Okay, so you can get 200 clicks right here, 200 visitors. It's not a guarantee of sales, but it's a guarantee of traffic. What does that mean? That means they can't guarantee you that you're going to get sales by buying this solo ad. However, they can guarantee you they will send you 200 people to your link. Okay, we don't know how many is going to opt in. We don't know how many is going to actually pull out their wallet and sign up, but they will guarantee you 200 visitors, okay? So for 200 visitors, $125. For 300 visitors, $195, okay? 400 visitors, 225, 500 visitors, 275, and 1,000 for $4.95. Okay, so you will have access to this once you get started. I'm going to send you a welcome email. Okay, and by the way, I'm going to buy your first paid advertising. Okay, so I'm going to send you a welcome email. I'm going to have a little chat, discuss a few things, and we're going to get your ad running. Okay, we're going to get you within 24 to 48 hours. We're going to get an advertising going. Okay, that's the name of the game. Sign up and let's start promoting this thing. Okay, then they also recommend Udemy if you're familiar with them as well. I'll put a link in the description for that. But we have the traffic right here for you guys to get started, so you don't have to worry about bugging friends and family and chasing folks around on social media, Facebook, messaging people. Okay, I can't tell you how many messages I get where people that tells me that people don't know how to market. That's why you need the training. Okay, so you know how to promote it. You should be speaking to or promoting to people that's interested in what you have to offer. If no one has opted into your page or you don't know them personally, okay, that's not how you would want to market. So these are buyer leads, okay, people that have actually showed interest in making money online. So that's the kind of advertising you want to use. All right, so that's your option there. You have the company has a traffic source, then you have Udemy, then you have Jazz Deep right here. I've used this solos before. Just click here so you can get the best rate. You want to do it from your back office. Okay, so you have that, and then let me show you another source that I've come across, a text message service. Okay, so let's check this one out. Okay, a low cost done for you mass SMS text blasting service puts your message into your ideal prospect's phone. We all know 94% of text messages are open and read within 3 minutes. Okay, that's a fact. All right, so let's go down here and take a look. Let's look at the one-time ad. Okay, you have your weekly. If you want to do this weekly, set a budget and say, hey, I want them to send text message ad for me every week, $44.95. I want to set a budget. I want you to do this once a month for me, $45 a month. Not bad. You've got to market your business. Okay, that's required. Text message one time. Hey, I just want you to do this one time. I want to see how it works, and then I'll come back and buy more from you if I like what I see. So let's check out that one. So if we click here, right here, 100, send out a text ad to hot mobile prospects. 100 of those clicks one time is $47. If you want 250, it's $97. You want 500, it's $197, and it goes up from there. We'll do one more. 750 is $287. So another way to get your business out to the marketplace. I would mix this stuff up. Maybe you do a solo ad 1 week, or you know how often you can, as far as your budget will allow you to. Then maybe another time you do a text blast, right? And then you do a solo ad through this company, or you do one through M.A.P. Okay, so you mix it all up, guys, but you just be consistent with your marketing, okay, till you see results. And when you see results, then you're like, okay, this is the one. I'm going to continue to do this one, okay? That's what it's about, marketing, 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 marketing. That is the job, marketing, okay? All right, guys, so if you're ready to get started with me and start earning these $247 commissions, the link is in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Don't forget, I will be running your first traffic campaign. We're going to have a chat. We're going to come up with a marketing plan for you so that you can be consistent, okay? And that way you can work that plan, okay? That is the key. Can't do this stuff one time and then don't touch it again for months and then expect results, right? So we're going to talk about it. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me. Like the video, please, and thank you, okay? And click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If you have any questions, reach out to me, but please go to the link in the description first. I will also put the link for the texting service as well if you're interested in getting that. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there. See you on the next video.